I'm about to make the craziest combination. Watch. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Because it's about to get crazy. You already know. This is what you're going to need to make arroz con gandules or gandule rice. Doesn't matter what type of onion. Cut it up, dice it up. Garlic, dice it up. You can use 1 or 2 packs of sazon. I'm gonna use 2 because I'm using 4 cups of rice. So 4 cups of rice, gandule beans, your best friend. If you're putting this, do not add salt or pepper because then it's gonna be too salty. And except for using Spam or sazon, we're actually gonna do this with shrimp. I know, crazy, right? Stay tuned. We're cooking gandule rice, people. Butter with the oil. We're gonna put the onions in first. We're not gonna put the shrimp in first because we know shrimp cooks really fast. So here we go. We'll put the garlic in later. Cook this up real quick. You could throw some sea salt. That's what I like to do. A little bit of that. And some pepper. Four cups of rice. Then we mix it before adding the water. That's what I do. Get that flavor in there. I'm gonna get all the flavor in there. More adobo, 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 adobo. Mix it all in. So I did 4 cups of rice. Now we're gonna do 4 cups of water. Sorry for the mess, sorry for the mess. After you put 4 cups of your water, you want to do the test. It's a little hot. There it is. Perfect. And taste it. So you know if you need to add any salt, pepper, anything. Adobo. It's perfect. It's ready to go. And now we check it in around 10 minutes. We move it around. You'll see. Put it low, very low. So it's been around 10 minutes. Now you want to mix it. Make sure it doesn't stick to the pot. Alright, it's been another 5 minutes. And yes, we are going to mix it up again. Make sure it doesn't stick. It will stick, but at the end. It's all done, people. Look how perfect that is. Oh my goodness. Perfect, perfect, perfect. 25 to 30 minutes. Turn it off. It's all done. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Tastes so good. And this is the finished product.